China's fast fashion market is growing in popularity and demand. It's impacting textile markets globally, including one of Latin America's most influential fashion spots, Argentina. Local brands and designers say they are feeling the brunt of these rising and cheaper Chinese imports.
As bridal gown designer Valentina Schuschner puts the finishing touches on her wedding dress collection for Buenos Aires Fashion Week, she says the mood is not celebratory.
Creo que está un poco raro el entorno, anímicamente hasta digo, como están todos un poco más tristes, más estresados. No sé si como que se escucha, yo obviamente estoy generalizando, pero se escucha que es más difícil llegar a fin de mes, muchas marcas cerrando.
Argentina's textile and apparel sector is facing one of its worst downturns in decades, as ultra-cheap imports, many from Chinese fast fashion platforms, flood the market. President Javier Milei has made opening the market one of his goals, aimed at deregulating trade, driving competition, and lowering prices. Last year, his government cut clothing and footwear tariffs from 35% to 20%. Rules on cross-border e-commerce orders have also been relaxed, raising the duty-free threshold for courier shipments in 2024 to $400. Milei's policies have helped rein in inflation, stabilize prices, and boost economic activity for some industries like agriculture. But when combined with cheaper imports, domestic industries like textiles are feeling the crunch. At the family-run Amasud textile plant just outside Buenos Aires, Chief Executive David Kim said the factory is running at just 30% capacity.
El gobierno quiere que nosotros compitamos. Nosotros no tenemos problemas en competir, pero necesitamos que no nos pisen con impuestos y con cargas laborales y con cargas sindicales que en otros países no existen.
A spokesperson for Milei's trade ministry declined to comment. Argentina's main clothing industry trade group said door-to-door imports shipped directly from other countries to consumers' homes almost quadrupled last year. China has been a particular beneficiary. Industry group Fundación Proteger said China's share of textile and clothing imports surged roughly 55% in 2022 to 70% in 2025, driven heavily by Shein and Temu. Meanwhile, Argentina's textile sector has cut 16% of its workforce since 2023, shrinking from about 121,000 employees to 102,000 by the end of last year, according to industry data published in February. Kim said his company invested $10 million in imported machinery over the past decade to meet the demand of clients including Nike, Puma, and local kids' clothing brand Mimo & Co. But now, much of the equipment is sitting idle.
Vivimos muchas crisis en este país, pero esta es la crisis la peor de nuestra historia. No solamente la peor en dinero que perdimos, sino la más larga en tiempo y en la que más gente tuvimos que desvincular.